Hi, I'm Mark Shane. You're at Horstings Farm Market in Cache Creek, British Columbia.
Horstings Farm is about 100 acres in size.
It's a family farm. It's run by a family. You can really get that feeling. It's got an atmosphere that really feels good when you walk in.
We have, everything from apples to pears and plums, melons, cantaloupes, honeydews. Really, anything that can be grown in BC, we've grown it.
I think the best thing about farming is, being able to go out and produce something and being successful at growing something and bringing it to our market, and people being able to see what it's like to have something that's come right out of the field and be able to experience that.
Farm to table means to me primarily three things: direct, fresh, and a little bit of charm.
That concept came from wanting to be able to take our produce and put it on the table and feed it to our customers. I've never had a watermelon like that, or I've never had a cantaloupe like that, or your tomatoes are incredible. So that's what's really rewarding for us. All the recipes on the farm are old-fashioned from the Horstings family, original. So you're going to get a pie that is totally different than what you get somewhere else. You're going to get a sandwich that is totally different than someone else. And it's a family memory. When you get on this highway and you travel and you come here, it just makes us really want to work really hard to keep doing what we're doing.